Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Elite Star Training YouTube channel. I, again, am Brian Tooley, and I'm the Executive Director and one of the founders of Elite Star Training. We're going to continue our basic search operations series, moving over to personal safety. In the last the last video that we did, we covered a high-level overview of what search and rescue is and talked about some of the requirements and expectations of becoming a SAR operator. Now we're going to move over to personal safety, where we'll discuss the baseline knowledge that's needed to operate safely in a SAR environment. Before any SAR operator steps into the field, they must be aware of the hazards present and have the fundamental understanding of how to protect themselves from the environment. In terms of objectives for this course, by the end of the module, we would like to have you, the viewer, be able to explain how to maintain a physical and mental fitness regimen, describe the appropriate clothing and equipment for SAR work, describe the basic survival skills and techniques associated that you may need to utilize at some point in the course of your SAR career, and describe the hazards a searcher might encounter on a SAR mission. Now, bear in mind, there are a very wide variety of SAR environments, and the environment that I am used to operating in may be drastically different than the environment that you may be traditionally operate in. I live in a very mild part of the country, relatively flat. We have some rolling hills here and there, a little bit of high angle mixed in, but for the most part, it's usually low angle or flatter. So my environment is going to greatly contrast your environment potentially. So with this module, we try to generalize it in the sense that this is likely applicable to most environments, and specific environmental hazards should be discussed and trained for at the local level. But we're going to try to keep it high level and work through it. So with that said, we will move on to the presentation.